We're recording now.
We are? Alright.
Just post-processing.
Let's see if she will.
Yeah, clutch cover's coming off.
Oh, there's a little bit. See if we can get another good.
Will she? Oh,
there we go.
Splitting.
Alright, let's make sure we don't make more of a mess than we already did.
Yeah, we already got a trail of coolant.
And the milk.
Yeah.
The milk is on the loose.
Yeah. That's going right into here, too. Just gotta mix up the...
She's got like a full thing of coolant in it, too.
Well, that's fine. Just blend it up real good, and heater will burn it. She don't care.
It's a cocktail.
There it goes.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Oh, that's some nice stuff right there.
Yeah, that's, yeah, not ideal.
You know what? I bet that's why the clutch wasn't happy.
Uh-huh.
Alright.
What's this complaining about? Okay.
Come on. We're sticking.
Come
on.
Here we go. Getting there.
We're so close.
There.
Just
there.
come on. We're stuck
You're
on.
stuck on their kickstart or clutch hookup or something.
No, it's
Kickstart.
yeah, the kickstart's hanging up.
Uh-huh.
You might wanna
Almost out.
let's grab our favorite wrench.
Yeah. Quality.
Come on.
Here we go. I do it. Oh, there she is.
Well,
yeah. That's yeah. You can see she's a little broken.
that would be why the clutch went.
Not mint.
Not mint at all.
Not
This
mint.
just got $200 more expensive.
Uh-huh.
What's wrong with it?
Basket snapped off.
Oh yeah, it's sheared.
Yeah.
I bet you one of the.
That's not minty.
I mean.
Alright, well we're
Alright, so it's been a while since we started the video up, so kinda go over. We got all of our parts so far all bagged up, all labeled so we don't lose anything. The remains of the clutch, it's missing some pieces. The inner hub there, some stuff. The pressure plate, we got some hardware for the clutch there. Exhaust parts, motor mounts. Make sure everything's all labeled, all nice before, you know, we start getting to the point where the motor's all the way torn down. We start losing stuff. So we got the whole side covered off. There's pile of remains here that is all from the exploded clutch. So yeah, we got that. Pretty much just tearing down. It was a real pain because all of these motor mount bolts were all powder coated over, and we stripped a couple of them, and me and AJ had to get out the vice grips and pliers and everything just to try and get them off, hammering sockets on there just to find one that would fit, not even the right size. Then we spent all of our time doing that and took forever. Got the rod out, found out that the swing arm rod didn't even have a bolt on it on the other side where it's supposed to, so even better. So I am about to disconnect the final wires, and we are going to pull the motor out of here, and I think we might be splitting the cases tonight, but we'll have to see how that goes. I'm not too sure right now, but I mean, got the gas tank off, coolant's all done, radiator's in nice shape. Been thinking about what we're gonna be painting stuff. We got a lot of refinishing to do. Oh, there's heater going out there. Starting to get nice in here, but yeah, got everything is all coming apart nice, I guess you could say. I mean, the